Alright, the baler, the most famous part of all. Oh, alright, so see in there I got a twist tie. Well, that's doing stuff in there. You see that? Now that's, I'll show you. See this? Let's see if I can show it better. See, I fixed that one so it wasn't doing that. So what happens is in here, there's a circle inside of here. There's roller bearings behind this that runs on that circle. Well, they keep slipping off because some way, somehow, this thing got crooked. So, not quite sure what to do. I think I'm going to try to ratchet strap this side over. Try to bend it back so that it's just a touch more. I had the whole thing off yesterday. There's actually only 2 pins in this chain. It just kind of slips in like this, see? But I only got the last field left, so if I can make it. I put this fix on here. And I ran for, I don't know, about 20 minutes, and then this one popped off. So I'm going to try to finish this field, take it easy. I'm going to take it easy on this field and see if I can't get it to run the last of it. And yeah, because you can look down here and you see that bearing. Well, you can't really see it, I guess. But this bearing here is tighter on the top, or yeah, tighter on the top than it is on the bottom. And so, you know, I wasn't really looking at that at all. Yeah, this side's different. I was just looking to see if maybe I could pull this pin, get that collar off, and then have this whole side pop off, but I don't think it's gonna work that way. Yeah, I need some serious help. If anybody can help me figure out what's going on here, that'd be much appreciated. If you guys could help me figure out how to get this thing straightened out. It's just them roller bearings in there. I know this one's bad. The bearing is bad itself. But like, there shouldn't be this much play in there, right? So maybe that means this side. See, and then this side doesn't even have those lock-ins. Like in here, there's no lock-ins. It's only got the one side, so I want to know if I can fix that somehow, or if there's nothing I can do. I don't know. What I did there is pretty cheap, you know. That's not gonna fly. I'm gonna pull this whole header and try to take it apart. Clearly, I need 3 bands. And lots of paint, so I don't know. I haven't decided. I might just fix the bands, get it working over there in that reel, and I don't know, maybe try to paint up the white and sand down this side or something and paint it red. But I should probably try to sell this and get some money back out of it. I don't know, I haven't decided though, because I don't think I'm going to get enough and I need a baler. So there's the problem right there. So maybe in the spring we'll get her sold, and hopefully I'll have enough saved up we can buy a nice baler. $2,000 one instead of a $1,000 one. Started off with a $300, so we're working our way up here. And this one's baled 100 bales this, well, a couple hundred bales. Nah, I'd say it's baled 100 bales for me. So $300 worth, or $600 if you're at the end of the year. But I don't know. Tell me what you can about the reel. I gotta find out some information. I have the book, but certainly be nice to have people's experiences with working on the header itself. So stay tuned, and we'll probably have some long videos on taking apart headers with cordless and doing stuff like that. As far as the knotters and stuff, that's all working fine now. The only thing I've really been having issue with is this one here. Just hasn't been cutting them all the way. I mean, it's real close. Try to cut it. I used to work in a laminate factory, so all my knives are like this. There we go. Just a tight spot there. And that one just ain't slipped its knot yet. It's waiting on the pressure. That one was cut. That's a good knot there. It's a good knot. And you always just, oh, that's bad. I'm not sure what happened there. Better check my twine. Tight all the way through. But alright, like and sub. I'm gonna get to it.